Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful Christmas wreath that's really easy to make. You can actually get one of these wreaths from Hobbycraft and they're about £5 for this size. Now all the other stuff I had left over after I decorated my Christmas tree, because yes, I have put my Christmas tree up. After all the different decorations that I've put on, I had all these left over. Now these are 20 years old and I've just repainted these into the same colour as my lounge, so it's going to absolutely look beautiful. So if you want to know how I made this, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Right, first of all is that we need our actual wreath, and this is a rattan grapevine wreath. Now you can buy these from Hobbycraft, and you can have a 20cm round circle and that's £3.50, a 30cm one and that's £4, and a 40cm one and that's £5. So all we need to do now is decorate it. Next I've got some of these beautiful pussy willow branches. Now you can get these from a craft shop or eBay, Amazon, really nice. So all you need to do is just place them actually into the wreath itself. So now we're going to put all these all the way around. Next I've got some beautiful peonies. Now I know that you probably use these in the spring and the summer, but I absolutely adore these. And I think they were going to go well on the Christmas decoration as well. So if you've got any faux flowers at home, try and use them in your Christmas wreaths as well. So I'm just going to work out where I want them to be. And then we're just going to do what we actually did with these, and we're just going to push them through, and then they're going to fit on to there. And do the same with the others. So this is our wreath at the moment, and actually this would look beautiful for spring and summer, but we're going to make it Christmassy because now I've got these baubles. Now I've had these for over 20 years and they were actually red baubles to begin with, but I got bored of them after 20 years, and so I've just painted them a nice greeny colour which matches my kitchen. So all you need to do is just paint the baubles with a paintbrush, and then what we're going to do, we're going to fix them to here. So the way that I'm going to secure my baubles to the actual wreath itself, I don't have any florist wire, so I came up with the idea of when you've got some bags like this and then they come with a roll of tiny little wire strands just to tie them up, the bags. So I've got loads of these in my cupboard because I don't use them, so I thought I'm going to use these to actually secure the bauble to there. So all we need to do is just push it through, push the actual hole through the wire, and then tightly spin it round, and that will secure the bauble to the wreath. Now we need to do that with all the other ones around here. So now I've got all these all on there, I'm just going to add some extra tiny beautiful little sparkly baubles just to the outside here, so it makes it a bit more sparkly. So we're just going to do it the same way as we did before by just using the tiny wire strands, threading through the hole and tying to the back. I'm not going to take these off because I'm probably going to use them next year for another project, so I don't want to take them off, but it just gives it a bit of extra tassels, make it all nice and sparkly again. I've also got some beautiful shiny ones as well, and some glittery ones, so I'm going to put them on the actual wreath. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video and it's given you a little bit of inspiration so you can have a go yourself. Remember, repurpose everything. If you've got an old colour scheme of baubles that you've got at home, you go, oh no, I don't want that colour this year, paint them white. I've used some old tester pots as well in the past and I've done all that so it matches my lounge. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and press all, and that will let you know when I've made my next creation.